is it our schedule?
Yes?
Our schedule too, you know? Is it is? My God, really? My God. Siya makikita mo, bulag ka?
Who is that, honey?
Huh?
Who is that?
You ask him?
Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm the husband.
Husband?
Yeah.
What?
What? Who are you?
I did not know there was a husband.
Okay, English tol, English, malalim.
I don't speak too much English.
English.
No, I'm just asking you. Who are you?
Nobody.
Awayin mo, awayin mo. You fight, what the hell,
We fight?
You will fight over me, I'm very beautiful. Ay, parang ako naman ako. No, you fight. I don't know anything about this. I don't know. He forced me.
No, she forced me.
Pagtanggol mo yung sarili mo, tol. Pagtanggol mo in English.
I can't fight him. He's a good guy.
Hello? Wala akong naintindihan. Nakasan mo in English so he can understand.
I said, I can fight him.
What?
He's a good guy.
Mga kaibigan, palakpakan niyo po sila, mga kaibigan. Thank you so much. You're being such a good sport. Malis na agad. Saan punta? Pinakamayan pa kita. Ayaw mo ata ng kiss eh. Sumang kiss? Saan? Gusto mo lagyan ka ng chikinini sa gilagid? O kiss na, kiss na. Amoy alimuong.
Ako?
Makakalis na, tapos ka na tol. Thank you. Palakpakan niyo po na sa mga kaibigan. You wanna kiss?